Hello. Good morning mga kaibigan at mga kababayan. This is Coach Ernie, your founder of the Lions Group International. Mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, I have something to tell you right now. It is good that we identify and recognize our problems, whatever problems we may have right now in our lives. However, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, we should and we must focus our energy and power to the solution of our problems, because this is the way to grow as a person, as individual, so that mga kababayan at mga kaibigan, we can move forward from our daily lives and achieve, of course, our dreams in the near future. Mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, once again, this is Coach Ernie saying it's good to recognize our problem, but we must focus our energy and power to the solutions of the problem. Bye for now mga kaibigan, and God bless. Bye-bye.